Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog dry foods available on the market right now. If you're a pet parent looking to find the perfect kibble to keep your furry friend happy and healthy, you're in the right place. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's dive in. At number 5, we have Nutrish Little Bites Small Breed Premium Natural Dry Dog Food. This formula, created by Rachel Ray Nutrish, is specifically designed for smaller breeds and comes packed with real chicken as the first ingredient. The addition of vegetables ensures a balanced nutritional profile, while the small kibble size makes it easy for smaller mouths to chew. The design of the kibble is tailored for small breeds. With bite-sized pieces that are perfect for their tiny jaws, its natural formulation includes added vitamins and minerals, which is a big plus for dog owners looking to avoid artificial ingredients. However, while the real chicken and veggie combo provides a great source of protein and fiber, some users have noted that the kibble can be a bit too hard for senior or picky eaters. This product is a great choice for small breed dogs at all life stages, especially if you're looking for an affordable, natural option. Pros include its high protein content, small kibble size, and natural formulation. On the downside, it may not be ideal for dogs with sensitive teeth or those who are picky eaters. Overall, it's a solid choice if you're looking for a natural, small breed-specific formula. At number 4, we have the Amazon brand WAG dry dog food with salmon and sweet potato. This grain-free recipe stands out for its sustainably raised salmon as the first ingredient, paired with sweet potato to provide a nutritious and delicious meal for your canine friend. The absence of added grains, corn, or artificial additives makes it a fantastic choice for dogs with food sensitivities. This 24-pound bag is not only value-packed, but also designed with clean, high-quality ingredients sourced globally and manufactured in the U.S. The inclusion of omega fatty acids from salmon supports a shiny coat and healthy skin, while the grain-free formula helps digestion. For active adult dogs, this is a wonderful option, but it may not be suitable for puppies or senior dogs due to the higher protein content. WAG is an excellent choice for pet parents seeking affordable, grain-free dog food that doesn't compromise on quality. The pros? Sustainably sourced salmon, grain-free formulation, and great overall value. Cons include the larger kibble size, which may not be ideal for smaller breeds, and limited suitability for non-adult dogs. Still, it's a top contender for adult dogs with active lifestyles. Coming in at number 3 is the Hill's Science Diet Adult 1 to 6 Premium Nutrition Dog Food with chicken and barley. This veterinarian-recommended formula is perfect for adult dogs aged 1 to 6 years old. It features high-quality chicken as the first ingredient, ensuring lean muscle development, while the addition of barley and natural fibers promotes healthy digestion. The kibble is moderately sized, making it suitable for dogs of all breeds, and the overall formulation includes omega-6s and vitamin E for a shiny coat and healthy skin. Made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, this dog food has earned a reputation for being reliable and consistent. One drawback, however, is that the smaller 5-pound bag may not last long for large breed dogs. This product is ideal for pet parents looking for a balanced, everyday food for their adult dogs. Its pros include the high-quality protein source, digestibility, and skin and coat support. The only con is the smaller bag size, which may not be practical for households with multiple dogs. Overall, it's a dependable choice for healthy adult dogs. At number 2, we have Hill's Science Diet Adult 7+ Senior Adult Premium Nutrition. This formula is specifically tailored for senior dogs age 7 and older. With chicken, brown rice, and barley as key ingredients, it offers a balanced diet that supports energy levels and immune health. Its small kibble size is perfect for aging dogs with dental sensitivities. What makes this food special is its focus on senior-specific nutrition. The balanced minerals in the recipe support heart and kidney health, while omega-6s and vitamin E promote a shiny coat and healthy skin. Made in the USA and recommended by veterinarians, it's a reliable option for senior dogs. However, some owners may find it slightly more expensive than other options. This is a fantastic choice for senior dogs who need a nutritious and easy-to-digest formula. The pros: tailored senior nutrition, small kibble size, and high-quality ingredients. The cons: it may not be suitable for younger dogs, and the price might be a bit steep for some. Still, it's one of the best senior dog foods on the market right now. And taking the top spot at number 1 is ORIJEN Original Dry Dog Food. This grain-free powerhouse is designed for dogs of all life stages and boasts an impressive 85% animal protein content. The first 5 ingredients are premium proteins like chicken, turkey, salmon, whole herring, and chicken liver, making this formula a nutrient-dense feast for your furry friend. ORIJEN's whole prey philosophy incorporates organs, bones, and cartilage to deliver a biologically appropriate diet that mimics what dogs would eat in the wild. It's made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, and the grain-free formula is perfect for dogs with sensitive stomachs. However, the premium quality comes at a higher price point, and the smaller 4.5-pound bag might not be practical for larger dogs. If you're looking for the creme de la creme of dog food, ORIJEN is hard to beat. The pros: high animal protein content, grain-free formulation, and all life stage suitability. The only con is the higher price, but for pet owners who prioritize quality, it's worth every penny. This is truly a gold standard dog food for your beloved companion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down your options for the best dog dry food for your furry friend. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which dog food you're considering, or if you have any questions about the products we reviewed. See you in the next video.